You are a guardian angel in a white coat, spreading love and kindness wherever you go. You are a beacon of hope and healing, inspiring humanity's best. You are a true hero with healing hands and a heart that truly cares. You are a miracle, bringing life-changing care to those in need. You are a shining star in the darkest nights, guiding patients towards healing and light. You are the master architect of wellness, crafting health and happiness with precision and care. You are a guardian of health, protecting and preserving life with dedication and expertise. You are a mastermind of medicine, with a brilliant mind, inspiring others to strive for excellence. You are a pillar of strength for your patients, a trusted guide in times of need. You are a true lifesaver and rock star, making a difference every day.